In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create AI videos from text in ElevenLabs step by step so you can turn a simple prompt into a full video in just a few minutes. This is a great workflow if you want to create content faster, test ideas quickly, or produce AI-generated visuals without needing complicated editing software. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Now let's jump right in. First, log into your ElevenLabs account and head over to the main dashboard. On the left sidebar, look for Image and Video. This is where ElevenLabs keeps its visual creation tools, so click that option to open it up. Once you're inside, you should see the different modes available. Select Video mode because that's the tool we're using to generate a video from text. Now it's time to enter your prompt. In the text box, type a clear description of the video you want to create. Be as specific as possible. For example, instead of just saying a futuristic city, you could describe the scene, the motion, the mood, the lighting, and the style. The better your prompt is, the better the AI video will match what you have in mind. Think of this step as giving the AI a creative brief. After that, choose an AI video model. ElevenLabs may offer different model options depending on your account and the features available, so pick the one that best fits the kind of result you want. Some models may be better for realism, while others may work better for stylized or cinematic content. If you're not sure which one to use, start with the default recommended model and test from there. Next, adjust the generation settings. This is where you can fine-tune the output before creating the video. Depending on the options available, you may be able to change things like video length, quality, style, motion, or other creative controls. Take a moment to review these settings carefully because small changes here can make a big difference in the final result. If you want a cleaner and more polished video, it's worth spending a little extra time on this step. Once your prompt, model, and settings are ready, click Generate to create the video from your text prompt. ElevenLabs will process your request and begin generating the video automatically. Depending on the complexity of your prompt and the settings you chose, this may take a little while, so be patient while it renders. When it's finished, review the result and see if it matches your vision. If the video isn't quite right, don't worry. That's completely normal with AI generation. You can always go back, refine your prompt, adjust the settings, or try a different model to improve the output. A few small edits can often make a huge difference. This is why experimenting is such an important part of the creative process. And that's how you create AI videos from text in ElevenLabs. It's a simple process, but once you get comfortable with it, you can use it to generate all kinds of interesting content much faster than traditional workflows. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.